Hi, my name is Shikha, and I'm glad to be attending CMAS again this year. I do think access to capital is one of the biggest challenges today, and it's not because of the money. Money exists. The problem is that investors have become far more cautious. Over the past few years, we've seen concerns around greenwashing, increased scrutiny of carbon credits, fragmented markets with different standards, rules, and in many cases, companies not being recognized or rewarded for investing in climate action. All of this has made investors more reluctant to commit capital. They're no longer buying a good story, or they're buying evidence. You can't add integrity at the end of the project, it has to be built in from day one. The projects that attract investment are those that combine robust governance, transparency, community engagement, and long term viability. And that is what investors are looking for today. It is difficult to compare because because every country is starting from a different place. I would say that countries are making real progress, especially under Article 6.2. The countries that are leading the way, if I had to name a few, I think we could start from Ghana. Ghana has been one of the first countries to put bilateral carbon market agreements into practice. Kenya is also moving quickly with clear policy direction in several international partnerships. Rwanda created a strong environment for carbon markets and also is hosting the event this year. Zambia is also making good progress as well. We have a project going on in Zambia. Ultimately, every country has unique opportunities, and continued collaboration between governments, project developers, and various other stakeholders will provide essential, credible carbon project pipeline. Last year's summit demonstrated that Africa is no longer participating in carbon markets. It's actively shaping its own future. In Joburg, discussions were practical, collaborative, solutions focused, bringing together various stakeholders, policymakers, developers, investors, validation verification bodies. We saw genuine interest around developing high quality projects and creating frameworks